In this video, I'm going to talk about one of my project, IoT based cable monitoring system. I made this project in order to make the ease of telecom operators like television operators, that is cable operators, to monitor their amplifiers and optical nodes and most of the precious transmitters and receivers from damage caused due to the over voltage and by other external environmental calamities. So I decided to build a system which could 24 cross-X monitor the nodes and amplifiers connected around the region and make it to continuously monitor by them with the help of some web applications and mobile applications, so that they can easily able to monitor the current state of their amplifiers and node MCS transmitters, preventing from the damage. So we hope it could be great helpful for them. And it also has another applications that it can those devices can also able to fit to the home appliances to monitor the current and current usage for the particular applications in which they are using. Let's get started. Yeah, these are the main the components and things I have used for my project. And the Raspberry Pi, which is to be fitted at fitted in the cable operator region, and SRMPP, it is a voltage sensor to measure the amplifier and node MCU in voltage, and DKST sensor to measure the temperature and humidity. And in this to this project, I use a prototype node MCU to build a prototype to make communication between the Raspberry Pi and node MCU. But in real-time applications, we make use of the optic cables to transfer the data from the main end to the receiver end, and OLED display to display the current state of the devices to the customer or the cable operator, then relate trigger on off. And for this I using Freeboot GUI. Yeah, it's a simple thing to display the sensors current state and voltage, current, humidity and range. So let's start that. This my main core of the programming is Python, and the node MCU programming is Arduino. So let's take a look at the website which I built. Yeah, here it is, and we once we get to the main page. Slowly. Yeah, this is a sample website which I created. In this, we can able to locate the number of receivers that the cable operator has. By clicking the particular receiver, he can able to visualize the status of the sensor, that is whether the relay is on or off, and what is the current temperature, what is humidity, and what is the voltage range, and the set of the connections, whether it is on or off, that is 0 or 1 at that time. And the location which I have not provided it by the use of optic cables, we can able to locate where the amplifier or receiver is. If that fails, the operator can easily able to rectify which receiver is fault, and he can able to soon correct that problem, which helpful to solve the problem very quickly. And let's get into the main program. I'm sorry, I'm unable to show the demo of the how the system works, because I have not have the sufficient components. This is the project which I have done in my second year, so I lost most of them. And this is the full program of the receiver. I just made the demo of connecting over the 5 receivers in series, and I have checked the working of the receivers, and it worked fine. And it also have the capability of sending the mail alert to the cable operator, that if the system goes above or over the voltage, he get an alert, so he can with that alert information he can able to make the move according to it. And this device is also pre-provided with some of the basic relays, so it can automatically trigger the relay and off the entire supply to the either optic node or to the amplifier. And it also having things, it can send SMS alert to the cable operator or the owner, so he can make the move quickly. And this is my 5 node MC program. I used ESP82 node MCU to make this prototype, and I have checked with the optic cable. I have to check with the optic cable whether it is working or not, because the data transferring the optical is not a huge problem. We can able to easily transfer the data between the one end to the other end by using the optic cable, very easy. And to store the data over the server, I just use the PHP MyAdmin, which is to be run in the Raspberry Pi, so it doesn't need a separate server to maintain all the process of the things. And here it has some basic example receivers. From that, you can able to 24/7 monitor the system, so it quite helpful in solving the problem quick. Yeah, thank you for watching. The next step of this project is build an Android app, which is convenient for the user to use. Thank you for watching.